you could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, way oh, oh. You got me singing. Way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy, you could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy.
Hey, so that's Mountain Breeze Hotel. The last video was about that hotel, so if you haven't checked that out, I don't know what you're waiting for, you guys. Anyway, hi, how you doing? Oh my god, it's been a minute, and I know you guys, but today we are going to Camp Ndunda. I know, I'm excited, more excited than you'd ever think. And yeah, I think this will be either the second last video or the last video of Embu County, and next we are going to Nyeri County or Kirinyaga County, whichever comes first, whichever, you know, works out. But yeah, I'm excited, you guys. You guys, I always try to give my best, and you know that, and I'm always trying to be consistent. And one of you commented in a video, what kind of camera would I like? You guys, I would like a Canon G7X Mark II. I'm very particular about what I want, and yeah, that is what I'm working towards getting. If someone is feeling very generous, I don't mind. So yeah, let's just go to Camp Ndunda and see how it goes. I have a budget of around 500 shillings, which is, I don't know, we'll see how it works out. I'll let you know, like, breakdown of the whole trip later when we come back. Okay, let's do this, baby, let's do this. Hey guys, so basically here, Camp Ndunda, right there it is, but you have to cross the road for you to go to, you know, the place, right? I'm okay guys, you guys, I'm nervous. So a little breakdown of how I got to this point. So I went to town from Mountain Breeze, I walked to the stage, took a matatu, went to town for 30 shillings, and then once I got to town, I went to the stage that is opposite Naiva supermarket, but just behind the county the county washrooms, and that is where I took a matatu that goes to Kibuyu, and I paid 100 shillings. Apparently that's not how it's supposed to be charged, but since it's Corona time and there are less people in the matatu, they have to charge that much. But yeah, and then I got to the Camp Ndunda signpost there, and now I have to walk in a little bit. Yeah, I'm excited. Let's see what's happening, baby.
Oh no, that is what they all say when they see me pouring some oil. Oh, then it's empty again. Better fill it up before I go. Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and being it. See what I see in it, I'm typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, let it all go. Oh Lord, think you know what I'm like, but you don't fall, you lose control. Bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly. Cause I know what you don't, it is me you adore.
Life hapa ni so vast.
Okay, so there is bird watching.
Yeah, bird watching.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you love bird watching, this is one of the areas unaweza kuja have an experience,
Okay.
The bird watch. kuna ndege wengi sana hapa.
So tunaenda straight ama?
Tutaenda tu venye trail imeenda.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Japotea trail imeenda all the way to all the destinations.
Okay, so you guys, I got here, I was received well. The entrance to enter to this place is around 350.
Yeah,
it's
sure,
350,
sure.
but for students it's what? 200
shillings.
200 shillings for students.
Yeah.
What counts as a student? Anyone in campus?
Yeah. Students, pupils, no students.
As long as you have an ID.
Yeah, as long as you have an ID. We're in students.
Okay.
Ataka uko 40 years old and you have an ID 50 years old.
Okay.
Yeah, you're a student.
Yeah. And this is Tony, my guide.
Sure.
Sataka kunileta around.
Yeah, you can see. Yeah. We have a therapist. His name is Nature.
Ooh.
Yeah.
You know, I've always wanted to just move around. History ya kukaa kwa nyumba na kujifungia has never been my thing.
No.
So I'm trying to go to like all the 47 counties and find like tourist attractions and then just highlight them.
Okay.
Yeah. So far I have done, I think, around 5 videos for Embu County.
5 videos for Embu County?
Yes.
Yeah.
And then the next county I'm going to, I think, is Nyeri. And then Kirinyaga.
Okay.
Nairobi.
Yeah.
Then Laikipia.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, it's an experience.
Yeah. They say when you are young, you lack money, but you have the energy and the time.
Exactly.
Once you're older, you have money, but you can't do most of the stuff. You know?
Sure. Wanasema vuja mifupa. Kama man, meno bado iko.
Sindio?
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching
50 kgs and below. You're good, eh? Okay, so you go. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Is this rope supposed to go here?
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Just do this,
for the lost and found, but you don't care. You're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
You think you're ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
You ready?
Yes.
Let's do this. Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine. first thing that I've recorded this. This is crazy. This is where we are going.
Yeah, this is where we're going. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite shallow. It's quite shallow. It's the smallest cave around here.
Okay, that's alright.
Yeah, as you can see the markings. Yeah, it's quite an old cave.
So you said this used to be a cave for leopards?
Yeah, leopard's cave. Long time ago. Long time ago.
And there are spiders there. Can you see spiders?
Those are not spiders.
What are they?
Those are rickets.
Oh,
They're
okay.
harmless.
Okay.
Some moths.
I was getting scared.
Yeah, don't be scared. Yeah.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give.
Yo, you see that waterfall right there? The big one? We are gonna go behind that. How cool is that?
Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know.
We basically had to walk on water or in water, however you wanna look at it. Look at that.
Wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a.
So the activities ended up to be a little bit more than I expected, and I had to do a part 2. In part 2, I'm going to be doing ziplining, archery, canopy walk, and so many other stuff. So don't be left behind. Subscribe, hit that bell button, and you'll be notified when I upload part 2. This is about it. See you on Tuesday. Bye.